In this video, I will be showing you how to turn on off flashlight notification in Android. This is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to look for your phone icon or phone symbol here on your device. Okay, tap this one. And then as you can see, there is two dots at the top right corner. Click this one. And once you click this, you will have options. We have block filter. Click the second one, which is settings. Click settings in short. Now scroll down and there are some options here, but you have to go to incoming calls and look at this flash on call. Make sure that this one is toggled off because if you toggle it on, obviously it will make your flashlight notification on or it will function. So it might not or might distract you from anything. So if you want to turn it off, make sure that this one is toggled off. That's it. And that's how easy it is to turn off flashlight on your Android. You can scroll down and explore for more settings if you wanted to. But for now, that's our tutorial is all about. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.